Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. How are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel, Diamond Rose. Like and subscribe, comment down below, and turn on that notification bell. Now, this first company that we have this morning, it's going to be a short video because it's only one job on this video. It is with Internal Data Resources. The job role for this job is health help desk analyst. And the starting pay for this job is $18 to $22.50 per hour. And it's a full-time remote position. Now it's a Monday through Friday job. It's an 8-hour position. Qualifications: help desk 2 years required, and work authorization required. The benefits for this job go as 401k, dental insurance, employee assistance program, flexible spending account, health insurance, health savings account, life insurance, and vision insurance. Full job description is IDR is seeking a help desk analyst to join one of our clients in Nashville, Tennessee. If you are looking for an opportunity to join an established organization and work within an innovative family-oriented culture, please apply today. Position overview for the help desk analyst. Provide technical assistance to internal employees, answer technical questions via phone, email, and in person. Clearly document work performed using the ticketing system, escalate complex issues to the appropriate department, assist in password resets and locked out accounts. Required experience for the help desk analyst: at least 1 year of professional experience in a help desk or a service desk role. Proven experience in an inbound, not outbound, but an inbound, inbound help desk call center environment. Experience working with the ticketing system, excellent customer service, basic technical support knowledge, specifically around desktops, laptops, Windows, MS Office, printers, etc. Excellent troubleshooting skills. Must be a team player and eager to learn. Excellent verbal and written communication skills. A plus certification desired. What's in it for the help desk analyst? Full benefits: medical, vision, dental, and more. Competitive compensation. Opportunity to get in with an industry leading organization. Team oriented culture. Why IDR, which stands for Internal Data Resources, name of the company. 20 years of proven industry experience in 4 major markets. Employee stock ownership program. Dedicated engagement manager who is committed to you and your success. Medical, dental, vision, and life insurance. Clearly rated Best of Staffing Client and Talent Award winner 6 years in a row. Now, once again, these benefits are here listed, and it's an 8-hour shift Monday through Friday. It's a remote position, you guys. The application questions will go as: what volume of calls have you handled? Are you comfortable in a fast-paced environment? You're hiring for one candidate for this role, you guys. They're urgently hiring. It is posted 2 days ago. So jump on it, you guys. That's it for this video. Like and subscribe and comment down below. And I will see you guys on the next video. Keep on being encouraged, you guys. Let's keep going. Keep sparkling, shining. Let's go. Bye.